Bună seara, doamnelor și domnilor! Suntem aici la... Mergem spre ieșirea Calea Griviței. Primul vlog de pe telefonul meu nou, de asta aici calitate. Și mergem la Parlament, nu?
La Parlament.
Nu sunt învățat cu camera asta, sunt mai sus. Sunt aici. Doamnelor și domnilor, suntem aici în fața Parlamentului lui domnul Ceaușescu. Am ajuns și pe aici. Uitați-vă aici. Uitați aici. Doamnelor și domnilor, avem și fântâni. Uitați aici, luminate toate cele. Foarte frumos, foarte frumos. Verdeață, copaci. Aici. Wow. Wow. It's crazy, crazy, really crazy. Doamne și domnilor, uitați-vă aici. Ce stradă, ce bulevard, stai că transpir. Wow. Și aici în spate e seția asta, să vede mai bine. Wow. So everybody, we are in Bucharest, and my first videos are in Romanian, but from now I will start to talk in English for all my fans. So in La Rambla of Bucharest, we are not in Alicante, so yes, and behind is the parliament, if you can see there somewhere. So yeah, really cool, really nice, with nice people. So yes, with a nice t-shirt, Zexig Munich. So yeah, thank you so much and enjoy this nice vlog. So everybody, we are now in Unirii Market. You can see a nice tram and more fountains. And there also really nice Corona and all this stuff. It's not bad. Don't forget we are still in Romania, huh? Please tell me.
No English, no.
So Ceaușescu planned this boulevard
For all his high-ranking officials.
Okay.
Communist officials, yeah.
But for what exactly? Why all the fountains and all this shit?
It was supposed to be majestic, you know.
Ah.
Like Kim Jong-il, like in North Korea.
Okay. We are near here. Amazing for all my fans. So everybody, we are now in the famous Centru Vechi. It means the old center. I will show you. Really nice. So people, this is the Victory Street. The famous Calea Victoriei. This, what the fuck is this? Palatul Czech. The Czech Palace and the street. And this street, at the weekend, it becomes a peatonal street. And this is the National Museum of History. National Museum of History. Look at this. This is Romania. Oh my god. Romania. Amazing. Oof, I need a picture here. Okay, I need to do this a bit. Oh. What a street. Amazing, huh? everybody, we have here also a show. Street work of Romania. This is a church, very interesting. The National Bank of Romania. Here people, amazing buildings. It's crazy, it's very crazy, and it's so hot. I'm sweating. This is a really nice building, like all the buildings here. And in Romania, it's crazy. Thank you for the vlog for tonight. I will show you this. Banca Națională a României. And I am here. Thank you so much. So, Vlad just told me here is a nice spot. Villa Rosemaca Naka. Ah, și. Oh. This is the good life. We say this is at the good life. La viața bună. So yeah. So people, I'm showing you now the National Bank of Romania from the further side. It's crazy. Here Grand Hotel Bucharest with the zoom. A famous speech in Romanian. One day I will translate it maybe. And behind is the National Theatre of Bucharest. This amazing building. And here are we. Yeah. Hello everybody. We are eating now. We are almost finished. From, what's the name?
Socului.
Sokolui. And vegetarian shawarma. Very good, tasty. 750, about 750 or 8, I don't know. But really good. Next time I will show a picture with the whole menu, but now it's here. So yeah, best crispy chicken in Bucharest. Socului. So everybody, we are here at the Roman market station. But nice. Yeah. Day 2 with Alexia. Deci, acesta este Ateneul Român. Spana poate nu vine, dar uitați-vă aici. Ce clădire, doamnelor și domnilor. Ceva de deosebit. I'm sorry people again, I talked in Romanian again, I forgot. This is the Ateneum, the Romanian Athene. And there are concerts, concerts and symphonic music, yeah. So, really nice. This?
The Art Museum.
The?
Art Museum.
Art Museum, amazing. And this, it's a library, wow. So we go that way.
I think
The Mihai Viteazu. So yeah, people, it's Wednesday morning, really early, really morning, very morning, and we are in Bucharest city, the best capital in the world and the capital of Europe. And yes, with my new phone. And yeah, anything, our guide? Anything to say?
No.
No.
Ah.
Ah, that is?
The Revolution Monument.
Oh. And this thing, you mean this? Okay. And this is, I mean, what is the meaning? I know for the revolution.
Symbolizes pain.
Pain?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Wow. What is this? You don't know? You don't know what is this? It looks very important. Just look. Okay, it's red. Yeah, okay. Very, very nice. Also Mihai Viteazu, the brave Michael. And yeah, that's it. So people, we have also a bit of Turkish culture in Bucharest. This Yurtta Banş, Dünyada Banş, Barış, 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 Barış. Pace în țară, pace în lume. Theater, very nice building. Ladies and gentlemen, we arrived at the one of the main spots in Bucharest. I hope you are ready for this beautiness. It's something difficult to describe, and now actually it's not so crowded. The traffic is not so much. English is not here, but please look at, wow, the magical Arc de Triomphe, in Romanian Arcul de Triunf. Amazing building. I still have no idea what does it mean and for what is here, but this is nice. Everything I can say. So everybody, we are in a beautiful park with a lot of trees, and in this park is the national arena, Arena Națională, the football stadium of Romania, of FCSB. Quite okay team, let's say, not better than Craiova, of course, but yeah. And really hot outside, I'm sweating like always, and the fucking camera is so good that you can see every point, every bad point. What the fuck, where are we going? Oh, okay, so here we can go, but yeah, look at this, zuck zuck. So everybody, now we are in the front of the national arena, Romanian stadium, like I said. Oh, this camera is so, it comes so near. I could play there, but I moved to Germany. But yeah. So everybody here can see a bit, just a bit of just this. We could, in Romanian is atât s-a putut. Just this. It could. Just this it could. Atât s-a putut. What should I do? Ce să fac? Hello everybody. It's so fucking hot. I can't talk, but we are in a really nice street on the center vechi, and it looks really interesting. Hello everybody, I hope everybody can see me. Oh shit, now everybody can see us. All eyes on me, all eyes on us. We are going by car to the north part of Bucharest, where the heavy men are,
Yeah.
In Romanian we say băieții grei.
Yeah, the heavy boys.
heavy
the guys
boys.
with a lot of money.
Of course. So I will show you after some videos, some pictures. And tomorrow we go to the old fame.
Yeah.
The old border. In Romanian we say
Fuck.
thank you everybody. Bye.
Sunt eu un maniac? Probabil că da, pentru că-mi place să bag banii în mașina mea. Yo. Special pentru cunoscători și mai ales pentru fanatici. Am 260 de cai să mă întorc. Clasic, ca un BV din 90 torc. 2003 știu, pe 6 TDI cu tot ce vrei pe el știu. Dar mai știu că sunt câteva sute ca
Hey, fix bus.
de toți aceeași pistă, nu te supăra. Dau pe spate mai repede când văd un Golf 3 carosat, un clap vibrând sau vreo torpilă de 2 metri dunărită. Modificat,
Bucharest.
o l-am propat, măi tată. Hai, lasă-o pula mea că nu se mai poate așa. Ai bani, nu să-ți cumperi un ex, dar nu ai bani.
Ăla e guvernul României.
Romanian,
Galbenă de acolo, lumina.
Romanian government. Everybody, we are here. The
Becali's
Becali's Palace. This palace. This is something. Toate astea.
Mă rog, doamnelor. Cu asta aici, zona asta, adică nordul exclusivist al Bucureștiului, să zic așa. De numai case de protocol, numai... Și dacă te uiți, copaci peste tot, super fain.
Okay, everybody. This here is the house of Nicolae Ceausescu. Here, 70 lei to enter. Souvenirs. This is them. Palatul Primăverii. Something new. This is a gay, and this is a bolide car, and this is how it looks like. The one who did with Bucharest what he did.
Sigara la mine. Ce este noaptea asta, da? Frumos, da? Îți place? Vezi?
Mamă!
Dă-mă jos, nu facem.
Stai cum fii pe asta, când grăsuță. The Victory Market Square, yeah. the Victory Kale. You know, here in the front.
Să beau cafeluță aici pe ziua, e fain. Bine și să am mașini scumpe pe aici, acum am să trec ăștia cu motoare. Aici și stele. Nu șmecher, uite ce mașini sunt aici în drive-ul ăia. ATN-ul.
Aici aveți,
da. Așa. Și aia este clădirea de pe care a fugit Nicolae Ceaușescu. Uite asta de aici, mare, din spate. Din videoclip, dacă știi, uite balconul ăla, e un balcon jos, de aici a fugit el, uite, de pe clădirea asta. Asta clădirea Comitetului Central Comunist. De aici a fugit Ceaușescu.
O întrebai pe Alexia, dar nu știu să spună ce clădire e.
Da. Acum continuăm frumos pe calea Victoriei. Tot așa terase, frumos.
So everybody, we are smoking a cigarette in the front of the Parliament of the Constitution of Parlamentul Constituției, Parliament of the Constitution,
Palace of
the
Parliament.
the Palace of the Parliament of the Constitution. Here. Good morning, everybody. We are ready for the Black Sea, or not?
Yeah.
And what should I say?
Check out the beards. Yeah, the beards.
It says
Alpha
everything.
male beard.
So yeah, first we have to get to pick up
the beaches.
if you see, if the bitches, if the girls see the pe si spus see you later, guys. Hello everybody, we are here on the way. Actually, home station. They left me alone. They are at the bathroom and I'm smoking my cigarette in peace. It's a long way, a lot of traffic, but there are strong people from everywhere. So, hello everybody, we are here on the way. The Black Sea. Romania. We call them țărani. It means farmers. So yeah, I will go a bit. What should I say? So everybody, we are here in Romania, near the it's not near, but 46 kilometers, but 1 hour. So not moving.
Look, Spider-Man right there.
We have Spider-Man right there. I will collect this. Just in Romania. So if you want to see something like this, come to Romania. Okay, everybody. Now the best 3 days in the world will start. So hold on, and see you later. Hello everybody, we are here on the way to the Black Sea.
Show them the sea, man.
I'm showing with the girls. So, anything to say?
My chulo.
My chulo.
Shine like a diamond in the sky.
Did you hear it? Hello everybody. Here our chicas. And I have a surprise for you guys. But see you later. Stay there. Hello everybody, this is a surprise. Oh shit. He's just jealous. And this is the creator of this piece of art. Look at this. Thank you very much. Stay with us for more surprises. Hello everybody. We are listening to Manele in Vama Veche. So we are.
It is a crime here to listen to Manele in this place. It's
So-
a crime.
We are living bad boys life.
Yeah. Check out the beards. You see these beards? Alpha male beards.
You have to do your
What? My what?
model face.
Perfect. Yeah. Manele în Vama Veche. Ilegal.
But I can do this.
Keep your women in.
So everybody, we are ready, almost ready. We are with the girls. They said they accepted our drip. Okay, you can tell something to my fans.
Say what?
Say whatever you
Did
want.
you know that he's gay?
I did a video, but I didn't film. We are going to Vama Veche. We are in Vama Veche, but we wish to be in Costinești. She's already dead. So everybody, we have also live music at the Greek Taverna. And it's not even midnight. Cheers, everybody here. It's such a shit.
So nice.
Oh, hello, shit. Oh my god, what happened? So everybody, it's a trick of mine here in Vama Veche. Look at this. My filter is gone.
He's a dumbass, so don't worry.
We lost the girls also.
Dear Beach, happy birthday to you, Beach. Look at this bitch, look at him. He's such a bitch.
Look at this chick.
Look. Oh my god. There you go, nice one, man.
Thank you so much. Bye. Money.
Please, €1.
No money. You can take a selfie with me. Suck. And that's it. So everybody, we are here. Another
Am zis odată pe lună se ducem o viață bună. Suntem toți împreună, când familia se adună.
Se vede?
Când vine noaptea, sună telefonul și răspund. Mă cheamă Laia, spune tot ce vreau să aud. Repede, haide-le parfumul și cheile. Mă uit în toate părțile să nu mă vadă nimeni. Nu se pun păcările, nu degeaba stările, avem numărele. Secret, discret, ne iubim cum vezi numai în filme. Nimeni nu ne poate judeca. Secret, discret, ne iubim cum vezi numai în filme. Spune cineva să fim în seara asta.
Everybody look at this.
M-am urcat frumos, a sărat cu ghetele și a ca pe or.
Cheers for everybody, not just for us. Cheers for Vama Veche, because it's amazing. You have to come.
Sunt iarăși eu, Picasso. Ți-am dat și sunt voinic. Dar să știi, nu-ți cer nimic. Vrei să pleci, dar nu
Absent. Moartă! Moartă! People, this night is getting crazy. We are listening to Manele in Vama Veche. So everybody, what is the time? 5:30 in the morning. We did a quick stop at home and now we are going to the beach to see the sunrise, the sunrise. I just ate a shawarma. Very nice breakfast. But just look at the. Hello everybody. I want to share this moment with you all. The best views.
Look at
in the world.
look at the sunset. Look look at the sunset.
More. What the fuck? More. tonight. Hello everybody. The second day on the beach ends now.
Ends now.
Ends now. We are here going
Just to be clear,
going to
guys,
Matei
shut the
to
fuck up,
eat
bitch.
some coverage.
This
and then
blonde motherfucker, yeah, he's the most beautiful man in the world.
Of course.
Yeah, after me.
Tu mierlit aici.
This translates as nasty crow.
Oh. The shot. The shot. The gay shot. And gay car. And everybody, we are now at Matei.
Merdina.
And the highlight of the day, not the police, this man here. I will call him to my marriage. So everybody, the braids are out. And we don't have water. I will
I
show
don't
you.
care what you say. If you have hair like this, you're the gayest man alive.
Just because I'm getting all his girls. This is all what we have. A bit here. And here. Oh!
Scary stories.
Spune-ne o poveste.
Este despre un băiat care a
No, English, please.
sorry.
Tell us a story.
So the story is about a random autistic boy named Tomescu Gabriel, who decided that it's a good idea to play manele in Vama Veche. Long story short, when he exited his room after listening to manele, there was the owner of the motel,
All you the in.
who killed him because he listened to Manel. So, yeah. End of story.
Goodbye. So everybody, not cringe at all. After second time. Hello everybody, we are here pre-drinking, starting the pre-drink with our friend here,
Second night.
the absolute friend of us.
We are absolute friends and we drink absolute vodka.
Hello everybody, we are here, the team, or the half of us.
Half of us.
Yeah, because the half of us is drunk, but not me. These three people behind me.
Ce pula mea, what my dick?
What me?
What my dick?
My mother dies.
Die my mother if I lie to you.
My children die. My children die.
Let my children die. Wait, so next we're gonna tell you some Romanian sayings in English. Listen this. Să-mi bag pula. I'll put my dick in. And
In.
you stop. And you stop because that's
and
the
you stop.
whole saying.
And
Say another thing in Romanian. I'll try to translate it.
Futus Hristos și mătii.
I'll fuck your mother's
Jesus Christ.
With S because there are more of them.
There are more, yeah.
Am oprit să luăm
No,
țigări.
English.
Okay. So we stopped to buy some
cigarettes.
smokes. But check this out. Yeah, it's a word. This girl
Is dead. We say moartă.
which means the night is over for her. She can't drink anymore.
Didn't even arrive in the what club? We didn't even arrive at Matei. Matei, you saw before. Matei is the coverage station. Pretzels. No.
Da.
So everybody, we are here. Look at this drink. This is a drink of Vama Veche, not Vama Nouă, Vama Veche. And this is a drink for Vama Veche. It's called Affinată, and it's from Affine, blueberries with spirit, Mona, Țuică, how do you call it? Vodka, something like this. It's a mix.
Sanitary alcohol.
Yeah, sanitary alcohol. So it's a really good thing, but not for beginners. Because come here, we are not the beginners. Look at this. Let's go. Thank you very much. Stay for us for more entertaining this night. Bye. So people, some information, explication, thing like that about Vama Veche. Vama Veche means old border. So Ada here will explain you why is it called the old border. Ada, you have to.
So back in the day, there used to be the old border with Bulgaria here. However, now we have a different border because of the wars back in 1980 something, whatever, who the fuck cares. But you can still find the actual old border if you walk maybe 1 kilometer from here, I think. But it's highly illegal to go there, and the border patrol will catch your ass and will put the dogs on you if you do that. Thank you very much.
I'm sorry guys, it is boring English because it's a good English, it's not my English,
Sorry,
but
yes, I don't speak English, excuse, sorry.
but some information with all this shit here, we have to learn something. So thank you so much, say goodbye.
E o tradiție pe aici de când sunt de mici. Și cum să fie decăția, că mai e mare mele să moară pe viață ușoară. Nu te promite mele pe capul răsumere. Este ne face continuu să ne roi de ele. Să vină pe la gând să mă răpească e cool. E bun pentru toți din țară o să vină. E mort, doamnelor și domnilor! Ladies and gentlemen, he's drunk as fuck! He's drunk as fuck!
Hello everybody, it's 6:30 in the morning and we are here in the sunrise again. Living the life, the only one awake. The rest is dead. Hello everybody, this is the third day. We are here on the beach. We survived. Now look at this boy. Cristiano Ronaldo. Hello everybody. This is the last night.
Thank God. I
Explain.
just found these eyelashes on her ass.
We just talked about Ada's Jenny eyebrows.
eyelashes.
Eyelashes.
So, just an hour ago, Ada lost her eyelashes and she didn't know where. I don't know where my eyelashes are. Check this out.
It
You
was
will not believe it where I found this.
on her ass.
Are a lot of questions. Situation. How did these end up on this?
Nici măcar nu am plecat la club. Și uite. Moartă! Moartă! Da, uitați-vă aici. Ce truc. Uitați așa. Să vă... Oh, vai, ce moartă aici! Oh, vai, ce se vede! Ești gata? Stai să... Bun. Oh, vai, ce-a prins-o! Oh, vai, ce... Tell us.
I have nothing to say.
That's it. We say in Romania, dead. But it sounds so much better in Romanian. Moartă! Moartă! Look at this. So, people, in Romania, when you have to X something, we say gât. It means neck.
Give it on the
Throat,
neck.
throat, or
Throw
throat.
it on the neck.
Throat it, no. Throat it on the throat. Cheers. What the fuck is this?
It's a wine, house wine.
Look at this. Look at mine, and he wants to put it on the neck with me. Okay, ready?
Dead. But wait, look at this. Look.
Dead. Moart. We say in
She's
Romania.
dead.
Moart.
Dead.
Doamnelor și domnilor, ladies and gentlemen, here one moartă. Let's go! We say in Romania, mort. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm drinking a shot with my friend. So everybody, this is the last night. We are here. So everybody, we are the survivors for the last night of Vama Veche. So everybody, are you filming or not? Are you filming?
Yes, yes.
We are showing you how to do a tornado in front of a police car. I don't know if you see it on the camera or not. Yeah, and in the front of me are 3 policemen, but boats are right now, just right now. Okay, are you ready? Hello everybody.
Oh.
This is the last day. Vai de cap, ești nu zici să mă spăl cu gel de duș. We are here at the cazare. It's the last day. We are not dead at all. Wait, no. Can you say something, please? Beautiful words. And you?
The dead one.
The mortal one.
I like it here. I want to stay here.
Cut. And you?
I can speak.
No speak.
No, I don't speak. No English, no.
Okay. That's it.
Vai, ce rău, de vorbă, la piși pe el.
Thank you very much. Because you stayed with us these days. You partied with us. I'm becoming emotional.
Se vede pe tine, nu?
Okay. Thank you. Bye. One last view of Stuf and Vama Vechea. It was good. What should I say? Never again with the same group.
One fine day and but tired old man, and I don't wanna be without you at the party.
So everybody, we finished our trip, vacation to Vama Vechea, and we are going with style home. Thank you very much. And yes, I think this is the last video. See you next year with a new vlog with the same group, of course. And anything to say? Say bye.
Bye.